That thing sounds good, baby.
Alright guys, today we're working on something a little different. We're working on a 2012 Ford Focus SEL, I believe, and belongs to a boy here, Jeremiah. It's my daughter's boyfriend. Introduced me to the channel, but it belongs to his mother. So we're working on the coolant hose connector water outlet. So, is this the part number? No, it's not the part number. Okay, but anyways, I'll try to see if... No.
People come to the address.
But, yeah, it's down in here. Right here. You can see the staining from the coolant, the leak. So, yeah, this housing right...
The leak is right up where that little hole's at.
Okay.
See that little hole right in there?
Okay, got you. Alright, so yeah, guys. So, Jeremiah already started. We got a canopy up in case it rains, and he's taking the intake air box out.
Disconnect this before?
Just so we have more room to work in there. So we're gonna get that taken out, and I'll give you an update in a second.
You gotta like
Zoom in there. All right, so yeah, this is the housing we're gonna be removing right here. We gotta get these squeeze hose clamps removed from these hoses. Pull these hoses away, and then he can start on. All right, guys, so he's just getting the 4 little bolts out that hold this housing in. He's got one left. As you can see, those front 2 right there have been removed. He's got one in the very back there. It's been removed, and then he's got one left in the very bottom. This thing had different size hoses going to it. We got them all out except for one, and one bolt left holding the housing in. As y'all can see, a whole lot of room back in there.
Can I put that back here?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, Jeremiah's getting that last bolt that's holding that housing to the block.
Draining.
Or head, whatever.
It's just water. Everybody was watching it drain.
I believe he's got it out because I seen the whole thing shift. So.
What I tell you, boy?
But I tell you, I told you it's a gasket.
You told him it was a gasket, baby?
I told him.
Well, it might be the plastic thing too.
He
Cause in the video,
must be doubting, like Lexi says.
Cause it said it. Cause
Men
the guy
tend to do.
Last bolt, y'all. It's that bottom hose. Hold
it's
on.
off now.
You go, my boy. Get him on camera. Easy work. Easy work.
I say that was your issue. What do you think?
Look how it like went down in.
Yeah, they say it's from heat causes it to swell. No good.
No good. It's no good.
No sirve. As y'all know, that last one's always gonna fight all the way to the end.
Here we go. Knuckle
Without
buster.
taking some skin.
Knuckle buster.
Ah!
How was it sitting? Like that? That's how it sits?
Yes, sir.
Are you proud of yourself, Jeremiah? I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
And in the process, guys, this hose right here is very brittle. And it just breaks. So we ordered a new one off of Amazon for $10.
She hating it.
That just still like is mysterious.
Cleaning it up. That's where the old one was.
I love the smell of this. I love it. Alright guys, got the new housing on there. There's a lot of little dumb things. Taking the hoses off. We did it off camera, but just 4 bolts, 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter. Hold it on there, the whole housing comes off. Got a hose here, got a hose here that we had to order. Runs all the way across to the overflow tank. As y'all can see, it's so brittle because it's plastic, it broke. So that's why we got the air box still out. And haven't put it together all the way 100%, but this video was about this plastic housing here. So that's how you do it, guys.
Alright, we ordered a new hose. It goes from the overflow to the radiator. To that part of the radiator, and then in there on the outlet temperature sensor.
I'll show them like the old difference in the old one.
Stay right over here.
Oh, like
Stay right
crap.
here.
Oh, damn.
Mom, just sit right here.
So,
Stay
over
in
there,
the
and
box.
that's-
It's probably because most of the heat was over there.
yeah, it was this one that was just breaking as soon as you touched it. Oh, what'd it do? Just get better overnight? It won't break no more, but it was breaking.
Stay right here. No. I'm just checking the cars.
Get up right there.
No, that ain't gonna go in.
Alright, let me see what you took out of there. You gotta take that out. And then it'll
Oh, I
go
guess it
in now.
broke off in there every time.
Yes, sir.
Take a shoe you got there, Mom.
And you gotta make sure to run it behind all the other pieces. I guess that can go in there, right?
Yeah.
falls over.
Where's this guy? Right there, right? Now I'm gonna have to pull that out too. That's the same thing in there.
Really?
Yeah. Where'd the old one go?
Roll it in the grass. Like
Alright, we got it plugged up to the radiator now. And
Stick it right here.
runs over here. Just like so.
Look at those.
The needle nose. So I'll hold the light for you.
I shouldn't have put this on
You put that clamp on?
yet. I shouldn't have put this on yet. Hold on. Do this. I think I can lock it, right?
Yeah.
Right,
I don't
over
know.
here.
How my husband did
I don't
that
know
the other day. You're not here, huh?
No.
Husband, we need you.
Man, spit on it,
Yeah.
Jeremiah.
Spit on it?
Yep.
Oh.
Water-based lube on it right now, so we're good.
She tight. Let me try.
I'm gonna take this off. Just to,
All right, what'd you say?
you gotta have little hands do it.
Yeah, he's got big hands, y'all.
Yeah.
Just like Angel. Big hands.
Yeah, now let me see you get it all the way on there though. See, you could have
You
small
gotta
hands.
work it.
You gotta have small hands, but you gotta have strong arms though.
Oh,
See, that's where the difference is.
I gotta put the camera down, guys. Hold on.
Whiter
Okay.
than the car.
Yep, brand new filter.
It's not plastic either.
Almost done.
You know, no leaks in it.
No leaks. New
Check
and
your
pretty.
long services.